A lot of people say, well, I don't know what platform I would put my course on, or I don't know what price to sell it for, and how do I get new members each and every day? Well, it's really, really simple, and I'm gonna solve that problem for you right now. So you're probably scared to create your own course. At least that's what most of the things I see on the internet, they're scared to create a course. I say to ChatGPT, or I'll ask people, what is your biggest fear with selling courses online? Because they want to sell courses online because A, they can live anywhere in the world and make money. B, it's pretty sweet because you can't really be taken out by anything in the economy, because if anything changes, guess what? You can just create a course that solves a problem for what's going on at that time. And number 3 is you really have unlimited income with selling courses online. It's pretty sweet. You can do it almost in any situation because all you have to do is solve somebody's problem. Matter of fact, this is how it works. You have people out there in the world that are in a current situation they don't like because they have some sort of problem. And then they have this thing that they want to get to, which is called their desired situation. And there's steps to get them there, okay? But the problem is they're trying to get there, but they're running into some sort of wall or block. If you can help them get over that wall, over to their desired situation, guess what? They will give you their value, money, for your answers or your value or your solution. So you can create a solution online. You just record the answer to the problem, and then you sell it to them online. But here's the problem. A lot of people say, well, I don't know what platform I would put my course on, or I don't know what price to sell it for, and how do I get new members each and every day? Well, it's really, really simple, and I'm going to solve that problem for you right now. The platform that I always use is called Skool. Okay, it's called Skool. And Skool gives you a community, it gives you a classroom, and it gives you a calendar. Now, let me explain why these are so important. The community is where you're going to build that know, like, and trust even deeper with the customers once they buy the stuff, and it's a support channel. The classroom is where you actually put your course. You can put the videos in there, you can put PDFs in there, you can, everything that they need for each of these steps that you would help them cross. And then the calendar. This is where you're going to get on with them twice a week at minimum. You're going to get on, say, like a Monday or a Thursday at 2 different times, just because the time zones may be different for your customers, because you can sell to people all over the world. Now, what price should you start with? I would start with $49 a month, and then you can work your way up. And so you could do $49 a month, which is about $1.60 a day. You get 1,000 people at $49 a month. That's $50,000 a month. Okay, you're considered 1% top wealthy, like ultra wealthy in the United States, if you make $68,000 a month for 12 months in a row. Okay, that's crazy, right? You could sell something for $49 a month, or like I said, $1.61 a day, the half the price of a Red Bull or something like that. And then you can always increase the price. Now you can also offer, say, like a yearly or annual price as well. So they could join, save maybe 20 to 30% if they join annual. Just start there, and if people are taking it really well, like they're buying a lot of it, you can either say this is awesome and keep doing that, or you can increase your price. But at $50,000 a month, you can do just about everything you'd ever want to do. Now, how do you get new members? Okay, well, do you see what I'm doing right now? This is called a pillar piece of content. I'm talking to you, my ideal customer, on a platform. You're either on YouTube right now, or you're on TikTok right now, watching this, most likely. You could be maybe on the other platforms if we spread it out, but that's the point. What you do is you create a pillar piece of content. So we'll call this pillar piece of content. So like this video that we're doing right now, this YouTube video, okay? Then what you do, and this is probably 10 to 15 minute long video is what you want to create usually. Okay, it can be give or take a little bit of that, but you want to be between 10 to 15 minutes. Then what you'll do with that pillar piece of content, you'll stick it out on, let's say, YouTube, okay? Then you're going to let it be on YouTube for like 4 to 5 days, and you're going to go check the analytics, and you're going to see where there were spikes in the analytics. This is where people were watching more of your video. You can go in and cut these pieces out right here, and those become short form pieces of content that you can put on YouTube Shorts, or you can put them on TikTok or whatever. But if you do put them on YouTube, you can take these shorts and link them back to that original video that you put on YouTube or this pillar piece of content. If you keep doing that on a daily basis, it compounds over time, and what you're going to do is you're going to simply send people to one of two places. One, you can send them just straight from the traffic here, social media, over to Skool, okay? Because at Skool, they can go to your about page, just like you could go here to skool.com/make-once, and you can see how this looks if you send them to Skool. There's a video over there that explains what the product is. They can sign up for the $49 a month over there. Okay, it's very simple, right? And for a limited time, that's what we're doing. For $49 a month, you can join my school, and I'll give you all my secrets on how I've made over $1 million online. Even in my first year, I did over $800,000 once I understood the systems that I give you inside of Make Once Pro. Now, you can also, what we do, it's a little bit better in my opinion, is you can send them to a funnel, okay? We call it a value train funnel. I've already made this for you, and I give you one if you sign up for $49 a month or $1.61 a day over at my school, Make Once Pro. But this funnel takes your traffic, the rented audience, because they're really rented audiences out here. At any time, you could lose your account, something could change, it's rented. But if you send them to a funnel, you can get them on your email list, and then you can keep sending them emails and sticking in front of them all the time your value and why they should join you, and you can build that know, like, and trust that you need to have. Then you can send them to your school and they can sign up, and you just keep doing this. The key is to be consistent with the pillar content. And the pillar content is just content where you're speaking to their fears, their objections, the things that they're scared about that you can help them get through. That's all it is. So that's exactly how you do it. You set up a school. You can do that for free. You start out at $49 a month, or say $420 or $450 a year. And then every day you build one piece of 10 to 15 minute content, put it out there, analyze it a few days later, and then put the short forms out pointing back to that pillar piece of content. In all of the content, you want something like this, which is called a call to action, where you tell people, hey, if you want for a limited time only at $49 a month, you can join Make Once Pro and you can learn the systems for earning daily profits online. Just go to skool.com/make-once. That's a call to action. You're going to put those in your content every so often. You're also going to tell them to watch more videos, just like what you should do right now, because there's probably going to be a video popping up here in just a moment. I'm going to have Logan literally wait for 15 seconds. It's going to pop up on the screen, and then you send them to that next piece of pillar content. So if you want to see how this system works and you want to know exactly how to do the rest of what we talked about down here where I just wrote funnel, you just want to go to this video right here.